We've got a rising chance for showers and storms into the afternoon, and the potential is there for some strong to severe thunderstorm activity. Now, out of Keeneland, it is quiet. We had that round of showers, thunder showers go through earlier this morning. Really, the only thing you're going to notice early in the afternoon is the wind. It is sustained out of the south-southwest, 20 miles per hour, 19 miles per hour at Bluegrass Airport. We've had gusts between 30 to almost 40 miles per hour, and that's going to keep up into the afternoon. Right here, you can see it just coming straight out of the south. So the heat pump is in action, and you're going to be dealing with gusty wind, and then eventually we're going to throw those showers and storms into the mix. The max track at the moment is clear. There's the very tail end of the storms that came through earlier this morning up into Ohio and Indiana. But we've got a cold front coming in from out west, so we'll start to see some development, more than likely pretty close to the Ohio River, points farther west where you see some of these showers dying out earlier this morning. And we still have that slight to marginal risk for severe storms in place across the Bluegrass, the Ohio River, and then running up into northeastern counties and eventually off into Ohio with a lesser marginal risk into our southeastern counties. Now tomorrow it shifts west again, and then Thursday you've got this broad area of an enhanced risk for severe storms right along and west of the Mississippi. Now this is getting us ever closer to the Derby weekend. Now it looks like the main severe threat as we get closer to Derby weekend is going to stay out to the west, but we will have some active weather to deal with. In the short term today, got to watch out for the possibility of damaging wind gusts from some of these storms. Cannot rule out the possibility of isolated tornadoes and potentially some hail, but primarily we're talking about damaging wind gusts as these start to fire. Through the afternoon, we'll see development firing up. Broken line of showers, thunder showers could come in a couple of waves with that initial round through the afternoon and early evening in the Bluegrass, and then southeastern counties more into the late afternoon and evening. So I've got you all the way out to midnight, and you can still see a few showers and thunder showers firing out ahead of that front. Eventually it's through. We're mostly cloudy, and we are cooler tomorrow, and then you can see that next low gearing up back to the west, the severe threat well back to the west, this warm front lifting in, and we're going to do it all over again. Probably have a warm front, cold front combo coming our way just as we get into that Derby weekend. But again, I think the severe threat may stay suppressed a little farther south and west. We are already in the upper 70s as we start to see those clouds build and we see that active weather firing up into the afternoon. That should start to put the brakes on the temperature climb. And part of the thing that we're dealing with going into the Derby weekend is upper level low pressure, this cold pool of air aloft. I've got you all the way out to Friday. Notice how this swirl of low pressure is more or less cut off from the upper level wind flow. This low is going to drop in and keep things unsettled into Derby weekend. It's not going to be one of those bright, sunny, beautiful early May weekends that we have come accustomed to and hope for every year. But that low, even though it's not going to be a tremendous cold snap into the weekend, is going to mean trouble. Cloud cover, showers, some occasional thunder showers, then wraparound showers, cooler air. You can see the dips in the temperature just to give you an idea of what's going on. This is in the wake of the storms that are coming through the cold front tonight. But then you've got that next cold front, that upper low hanging in there. So for Saturday, Derby Day, we may not get out of the mid to upper 60s for highs. So yeah, we're not going to crash tremendously temperature-wise, but we will definitely cool down after highs Friday in the 70s. Upper 70s, if not 80 degrees before those showers and thunder showers develop later on today. We'll keep a close eye on the potential for some of those on the strong to severe side. Tonight should wind down fairly quickly as the front tracks east, and by tomorrow morning things should be fairly quiet. But Wednesday, yeah, we cool down. Knocker got about 10 degrees off that high. Mostly cloudy skies Wednesday. A few showers and storms late Thursday, and then for the Kentucky Oaks, we'll likely have some active weather around showers, some scattered thunder showers. And then with that low slowly pulling east, wrap around cloud cover, occasional showers. Hopefully, if we can work it out, it'll get out of here fast enough that maybe we'll dry out through the day Saturday, but still we'll have some rain around, especially early on.